Welcome to dbSignals. To create a campaign, you need three elements: a list, a schedule, and creative. This tutorial shows you everything you need to know to segment your list and database to create a granular target so you can easily incorporate it into your campaign. Start by clicking on Lists and Segments from the menu. Next, select the source of the data you want to segment into a list. You can click Open to select a predefined list that has been uploaded to your folder, or if it's a new list, select Upload, browse for your CSV file, then map the fields of your contact list to the appropriate database column headings. You also have the option of selecting records from any of our prospecting databases on the left. These are dynamically presented depending on the user's need for either consumer data, business data, or both. To include records from dbSignals prospecting database, click the Include checkbox to the right of the preferred database icon. Once you've selected your source file, click Add Filter to begin adding segmentation criteria. You can select demographic filters, digital behavior, form responses, campaign filters, or custom triggers. Start by clicking on Demographic Filters and selecting the required data attribute from the drop-down menu on the left. These fields are dynamically populated, so whatever fields are contained on the source file will show up here. Next, you will need to build your condition statement by clicking on the middle drop-down and selecting equals or any other Boolean value. Add your filter value in the third drop-down and click Done. You can add multiple filters if needed, and the resulting count will be displayed in the upper right of the screen under Results. Now, let's set your digital behaviors. Click Add Filter and select Digital Behavior, and check the conditions required. You can select records that have opened an email, or click through to a landing page or submitted a form, and more. When you are finished, click Done. Next, let's refine the segment with form responses. This is where you can select only records that have completed a form or have answered certain questions on the form. Click Add Filter and select Form Responses. Then click the arrow to the left of the folder that contains your landing page. Then select your landing page to display the question in that form. Then select a question to see the responses. Check the ones you would like to filter by. When you are finished, click Done. You can also choose custom triggers to be added, but they have to be set up by dbSignals. This is a powerful tactic to employ because it allows events like web registrations to trigger personalized messages to be sent. Next, you can add campaign filters. This is where you can select only records that have been included in certain campaigns. Click Campaign Filters and click the folder that contains your list campaigns. Then select your campaign deployment list and click Select. Finally, save your new segment. You can also save your new segment as a different version of an existing segment with the Save As feature. You can also use predefined segments to start building from by clicking Sample Segments from the top menu area. This concludes our list segmentation tutorial. Be sure to view our other tutorials to help you maximize your efficiency in creating every element for your marketing campaigns.